This video will guide you through downloading patient data into the CMS Lite III data management software and ultimately saving it as a PDF. Before starting the CMS Lite software, be sure to place the CMS dongle into a USB port on the computer. When you're ready to start downloading patient data, remove the USB memory stick from the monitor and place it into a secondary USB port on the same computer. To confirm that data is being stored on your patient monitor, see the important note. If these icons are not being displayed on the bottom of your monitor, see the instructions for data store setup. Once you've installed the CMS Lite software and turned it on, you should see a group of icons on the bottom left of your screen. If you do not see these icons, it may be necessary for you to adjust your display settings according to the recommendations shown on the screen. Let's get started by adjusting a couple of settings. To begin with, choose the settings icon on the bottom left of your screen. Choose Hospital Information Setup and change the hospital name to the name of your facility. Next, choose Shortcut Setup and choose History Patient Review and System Setup from the left portion of the screen so that they appear under selected shortcuts. So what does this look like on a daily basis? How do you import the data? You'll simply start by going to the shortcut icon on the bottom for History Patient Review. You can also go to the main menu, choose Review and History Patient Review. Select the pull-down menu next to History Patient Review and choose Data Import. Click on the USB memory drive icon. This will reveal all of the records that are available. Select the records you wish to import and click the download icon. Choose the pull-down menu to the left of the USB memory icon and select History Patient Review. Now, click on the patient's name you wish to review. We'll select John Smith. Confirm the time and ensure this is the correct patient. Everything looks good for John Smith. On the top menu bar, click Review. Then choose Trend Review. Ensure the options are set to Trend Table. The resolution setting is NIBP. Under Select Parameters, you have the option to choose specific parameters, or you can choose from a group that you previously customized. For John, we'll use the IV sedation group. Finally, click Print, then Print Trend Table. You can click Preview. This will allow you to choose a printer to print to, or you can just simply click the Upload arrow to save it to your computer. In conclusion, with CMS Lite III's simple offline data transfer from USB and compatibility with all EMRs, you're set for a seamless, affordable transition to digital documentation.